$60,000 for a 2020 C300?
Yeah.
Ford just announced they don't really care what your credit score is.
How many dollars do you have?
Well, negative.
Even though I am a nurse and I make good money, I don't have money.
Some people shop for deals, others shop for debt. Welcome to the channel. I'm Mike, and here we talk about money, cars, avoiding debt, and keeping more of your paycheck. If that sounds good, hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment.
I bought this car like last Friday. I had Nissan Kicks 2024 leased, and I had only 3,000 mileage on it. So I traded that in and got 2020 Mercedes C300 of 2 years and gap insurance, monthly payment with $750 or $780.
And how much did you buy that for?
I just went in and wanted to upgrade. The sale price is $60,000.
$60,000 for a 2020 C300?
Yeah. Retail, he said, was $39.
How many miles were on it?
60,000 mileage on it.
Nah, sister.
In case you missed that, she had a 2024 Nissan and wanted to upgrade by buying an older car with more mileage. That's like taking a shortcut that takes twice as long.
Is that the price after the finance charge and everything? There's no way they charge you $60,000 for a 2020 C300.
The sale price, total cost of your purchase credit, including your down. I didn't put anything down. 16,318, and the total of payment is 59.
So you're looking at your finance contract, right? I saw that you have 11.6%. So that's not what you bought it for. That's the truth in lending form. What was the total price of the bill of sale?
I don't know where to look for that.
Can you resend it again so I can check it, because I'm trying to find it. So you bought the car for $42,763, which honestly is outrageous for a 2020, because those go for $17,000 all the way up to $22,000. I don't know how they got you at $42,000. This is why it's important to make sure you know what you're getting yourself into, because if not, you'll get taken advantage of.
It is amazing that people can spend tens of thousands of dollars and have no idea what they're actually paying. One of the most important parts of buying a vehicle, the price, and it gets ignored, all because she wanted to upgrade.
So it's saying that the car was listed for $36,215. They gave you $20,400 for the vehicle, and then that left you an unpaid balance of $35,705.05. The total pre-delivery service charges, including the electronic registration, was $1,500. And then your gap insurance they charged you was $1,500. And then your service contract was $3,000. Your theft deterrent was $500. So they have about $6,000 in fees. So that brought you up to $42,763.29, which is honestly absolutely crazy that you bought this at a dealership in Miami. This one should be right around $27,000, maybe $28,000. The total price of the vehicle is $46,000, which is almost $20,000 more than what the vehicle should be listed.
It is so easy to check the price of a car. A quick Google search or look at Facebook Marketplace. It's not 100% accurate, but it's going to give you an idea. She wanted to upgrade her status, and the salesman knew it. He probably walked away with a nice fat bonus.
What are you trying to accomplish right now?
I need to trade this car, get something that is like kid friendly.
But the problem is you just bought this car.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, you wouldn't be able to just back out of it. You'd have to get it appraised again, go get a trade-in, etc.
So what should I do? I should just wait for a little bit, make a few payments, and then trade it?
The bad thing is the more you hold on to this car, the more it's going to depreciate. You didn't understand what you were getting yourself into. I'm not shaming you, sister. Don't get me wrong. It's just, this is a learning experience, right? The vehicle was definitely overpriced. We have to do our due diligence to make sure that we're buying something smart. Unfortunately, sister, you're stuck.
He always tells the truth and gives great advice. It's Ride with Yusuf if you want to check him out. Too many people are willing to go into debt like this woman and overpay for things they don't need. She had a perfectly fine new vehicle but wanted to be seen in a Mercedes. And now she's stuck paying almost double what it's worth.
Oh man, I didn't put it had a sunroof on it. I didn't know it had a sunroof. I would have charged y'all more. Fully loaded. What's going on, folks? It's your boy Steve. Got me rolling today. I got my dog Michigan approved on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Man, how was your experience with me today, bro?
Oh man, Steve got me rolling. $1,000 down. $1,000 down. I did $1,000.
Did I ask you for any income or anything like that?
I did $1,000. I ain't saying it no more.
Straight like that.
I ain't saying it.
What you got to say?
Bro, I need $1,000 and you're rolling out today.
$1,000. I didn't mail.
7 years of debt for a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it adds up to nearly $50,000. You could find the same one for around $20,000, maybe less. Between all the costs that come with owning a car, he's probably spending close to $1,000 a month to drive a Jeep. If he took the bus for a while and paid cash, he would have saved himself nearly $30,000. And investing that at 25 could grow to nearly $500,000 by retirement. Add just $200 a month and that could be close to $1 million. If you're young, start investing early. It will change your life.
Ford just announced they don't really care what your credit score is. If you have challenging credit, you can get the exact same approval as someone that walked in here with the 800 credit score. Now, we all know if you have challenging credit, your rates are typically higher. And if you have great credit, your rates are typically lower. So what does this mean? This means you can save hundreds of dollars a month on your monthly payment and thousands of dollars of interest per year. What's your plan of action? Are you going to sit here and wait for a better opportunity, or are you guys going to take advantage? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think that this is a good deal from Ford? If you want to take advantage of this opportunity, hit me up. My number's in the bio. Shoot me a message, and I'll get you guys taken care of. And don't forget to follow Sean Seals Deals.
Challenging credit. I love how they word it. It sounds to me like they can't sell their vehicles. Most of the ones with good credit scores know the prices are ridiculous and aren't buying. As we see in the videos, lower scores tend to not worry too much about the price, and their scores show it. This next clip is a young YouTuber in the fitness industry. And I included it because this is the type of thinking younger people are being exposed to when it comes to money.
I'm dead broke right now. And I have a
how many dollars do you have?
Well, negative, but I have like some assets and
That doesn't stress you out to live life like that?
No, Steve will do it. His like shine taught me a lot about like my career's just getting started, and because I've taken out loans to buy somebody a gift. Steve's birthday present, I didn't have the money for it. I took $300,000 on credit, just like on the prayer that I win gambling and can pay it off, which I did, and it worked out.
These are the kind of things they're seeing. People throwing away money, buying fancy cars, gambling, and borrowing massive amounts for online attention. There are young people watching this and even on a smaller scale thinking it's okay to waste money. He makes it sound easy. Borrow 300 grand and win it back gambling. It sends a horrible message.
But I have been financially not doing great. I am a nurse. Even though I am a nurse and I make good money, I don't have money, which is the sad part because of the choices that I've made still currently and the choices that I've made like previously, like from a couple of years. I am in credit card debt, and it's this unhealthy cycle that I have been putting myself into, and this just relationship with money has just never been something that I was talked about. Lifestyle creep is definitely a thing, and
I had to look up lifestyle creep. If you don't know what it is, it's basically lifestyle inflation. Spending increases when income rises. Luxuries become necessities. It prevents people from saving because the extra income goes into new expenses instead of investments.
especially when you are trying to make a brand for yourself, when you're aspiring to do something that you want to do. And content creation has been something that I've always wanted to do. Being a YouTuber has always been something I want to do. I've always just wanted to be on camera. I've always just wanted to make a name for myself, whether it be like through content creation, being a YouTuber, being an entrepreneur, like whatever it may be. I always felt like I was meant to do something other than nursing. And so I think for years I have been continuously like, you know, going with the trends and like, you know, buying whatever everyone else buys so that like I can post about it and like, you know, be seen. But then I get caught up with imposter syndrome of not being enough.
Now, I don't know what kind of content she wants to make, but it's not about being on camera or showing off what you buy. The reason I do it is simple. I want to put together a video that people actually enjoy watching. And my goal is to make the next video better than the last. To put a video every day, my day starts around 2 a.m. and ends around 9 or 10. Somehow I don't think she has any idea how much work it takes.
In order for me to become someone, I guess I was influenced by everyone else around me. So if I bought the next best thing, or if I like looked a certain way by buying these clothes, then I was gonna make an image, a brand for myself. And that turned into like so many like dumb purchases like along the way that I'm like literally paying for now. And don't get me wrong, I have been trying to get myself together when it comes to my finances, because obviously like I have money to pay my bills. I have money to like pay down the minimums on my credit cards. But a lot of the times I don't take into account money like for myself and money to, you know, just enjoy life. And most of the time, like, I'm struggling to even do that.
Whether it's cars or credit card debt, people are going broke trying to be someone they're not. They are drowning in payments just so other people think they have money. She's already wasted 20 grand chasing online attention, when her real focus should have been making content that connects with people. She can stop wasting money and make videos people enjoy watching. I'm going to end the video here and ask you to hit that like and subscribe button, drop a comment below. I will see you in the next one. Bye.